Hello guys, I'm David and welcome to this section. In this section, we will add packages and use them. Next, we will add a health check endpoint. Next, we will look at middlewares in ASP.NET. And finally, we will abstract our service registration into an extension method. Let's get started.
There are many ways to include packages in .NET applications. Packages can be added by using the .NET CLI commands inside the terminal. In Visual Studio, packages can be added using the Package Manager console and also the NuGet Package Manager. Packages can also be added by directly including the package reference inside the project. Let's head over to nuget.org. NuGet is the package manager for .NET applications. We can search for the package directly. We can click on packages. There are a bunch of packages available, but the one that we are interested in is Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.OpenAPI. This is the package. This package will help us document our API using the OpenAPI standard. It's going to generate a JSON file for us, which we can share or import it in Postman. This is the full name of the package, and it's currently under this preview version. These are the preview versions, and right before the preview version, we have the latest stable version, which is 9.0.6. The package has been downloaded for about 75.3 million times. This is the website, the official website for this package. This is the license under which this package falls in, and this is the total size of the package. On the dependencies tab, you can see the package that this particular package depends on. Let's go to the versions. So we are interested in the latest stable version. Good. Now, on these tabs, you can see how to install the package. Now we'll focus on the .NET CLI. Let's copy this command. Let's go back to Visual Studio and bring our terminal. Click on View, select Terminal. Now we have to ensure that we are in the right directory in which our project is located. We have to go a step further. Great. Our CS project is here. So this is where we have to paste the command. Now let's install. As you can see, within the item group, there's a package reference here for this particular package, which means it has been installed successfully. If we want to uninstall this package, we can go ahead and run this command. We get rid of the version and we change the add to remove. Great. So the package has been removed from our project successfully. In Visual Studio, we can install the same package using the Package Manager console. Let's head over to nuget.org. On the PMC tab, which is Package Manager Console tab, click on it. Copy the command. Let's go back to Visual Studio. Let's click on View, Other Windows, and select Package Manager Console. By default, we only have one project in our solution. If you have multiple projects, you can click on this drop down to select the project that you want to install the package. Go ahead and paste the command. This is the command for installing package using the Package Manager console. Install package, full name of the package, and a flag for the version. As you can see, the package has been installed successfully. We can also uninstall the package using this command. Write the full name of the package. Optionally, you can pass the remove dependency flag to remove the package dependency. Great. As you can see, the package has been removed from our project successfully. In Visual Studio, we can also install a package using the NuGet Package Manager. Right-click on your project. Select Manage NuGet Packages. Under the Install tab, we have a list of packages that you've installed for that particular project. Updates also gives you the new versions of the installed packages, where you can also update them. Under the Browse, this is going to fetch the packages from a NuGet source. Primarily, our default package source is nuget.org. You can choose any other source that you've added or want. Let's go ahead and search for Microsoft.ASP.NET Core. So this is it. We can select it. Now, we can see the latest stable version, which is 9.0.6. The preview versions are not here. We can go ahead and click Install to install the packages. On this Options tab, we can click to see the preview window, or we can uncheck it. Now, let's install the package. This is going to give us an idea of the dependencies for this package. You can click on this, don't show this again, or you can leave it. Let's click on Apply. We can go ahead and accept. If the package gets installed successfully, we will see this uninstall button next to the version here. We can double click our project to get access to the project file, or we can just click on the CS project here. Let's double click. Great. You can see the package here, meaning it has been installed successfully. Let's head back to NuGet. If you want to uninstall the package, you can click on this button. Click Apply. And you can see. Let's check our project file. Now the package is no more here, meaning the package has been uninstalled successfully.